Hello, my name is Dennis, and I'm a software engineer at Terralogic. Welcome to our video on implementing the parser in PyATS. The parser is a method used to parse the output when executing command on a device. In this video, we will explore two ways to use the parser, using the command line and using code. To follow along with the instruction in this video, you can refer the parse device output documentation in PyATS and download the mock project, which allow you to work with a mock device. I have already done some code which use the parser to execute and parse commands. First, we need to establish a connection to the device before we can parse any commands execute on it. In this example, I'm trying to parse the show IP interface drift command. We will also print out the parse object with the help of the JSON DOM to see how the parser works. Now, our P1 parameter is just like a normal Python dictionary. We can access its info by putting the key inside the square bracket. Now I want to get the status info of FA00 interface. I can get it by putting the following key inside the square bracket. We now have the status information of the FA00 interface. Besides parsing the command in code, we can also parse the output using the PyATS COI. We can utilize the PyATS parse command followed by the dissect command to execute. We then extract the information from the testbed file and select the device on which to execute the command. We can also parse multiple commands at once. Finally, if you want to save the output to a file, you can use the output flag at the end of your command, followed by the folder name of your choice. This will create a folder containing three command files: a connection log, the raw device output, and the parse device output. It will parse the command in the form of the Python dictionary. That summarizes the usage of the parser in PyATS and the two different approaches to using it. In the next video, we will delve into using the training APIs in PyATS. Thank you for watching our video.